Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 70 of mathematics. Ladies and gentlemen, in the last lecture we did 3 questions, and today we are going to do question number 4, in which there are 2 parts. We will deal with each part separately, so pay full attention. These questions are basic level question and it is given on page number 251. Given that the question is saying, given that AB is parallel to CD, find the value of the unknown in each of the following figure. In this case, we are having only the unknown is A, as you can see in the A part. Ladies and gentlemen, now there is no theorem can be applied to this situation, neither alternate angles, not corresponding angles, nor interior angles. So what we should do, we have to make the situation to apply those things. So what we are doing, we are actually drawing a parallel line, and that is to A, B and C, D. Now we divided the angle A in part number 1, which is this area, and then part number B, which is this area. This is part number 2. We have to find the value of 1 and 2, and then we will add it, and as a result we will be able to find the value of A. So let's do it. First of all, I am writing what I am writing, that A, and let us give this as PQ line. So A E Q, I am writing this, and you have to tell me that how. A E Q plus 142 degree is equal to 180 degree. Yes, and that is due to the interior angles theorem. Now A E Q is equal to 180 degree minus 142 degree, and when we calculate it, it will be A E Q will be equal to 38. So we found the first area, and that is 38 degree. I am writing for your understanding here. Now next I am finding C E Q, and I am writing it here. C E Q plus 114 is equal to 180 degree, and that is also due to the interior angles, because PQ is parallel to CD. So here we can write that C E Q is equal to 180 degree minus 114 degree, and in this case when we subtract it, it will be 66. So CEQ is equal to 66 degree. Now the second part, which is this portion, we found it to be 66. Yes, it is 66, and now we have to add both of them. So we can say that a degree is equal to 38 degree plus 66 degree, and that is equal to 104 degree. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the first part. The second part is also like the first part. We have to draw a line because we cannot find B directly by any means. So we have to divide B angle into two separate parts as we did in the first part. So let's do it, and then we will be able to find the value of this B. So I am dividing this B into two parts by drawing a parallel line, and I am labeling this parallel line as PQ. Now we have to find first the value of this area, and then we will find the value of this angle, and we will add both of them, and as a result we will be able to get the value of B degree. So let's do it. First of all, we are doing what? We are finding the value of. So the first part is, let us say that AEP AEP is equal to 69 degree, and that is due to the alternate angles because AB is parallel to PQ. Now we have to find the second one, and that is CEP, and that is equal to 37 degree, and that is also due to the alternate angles theorem. Alternate angles. So now we found this one to be 69 degree, and this part is to be 37 degree by utilizing the concept of alternate angles theorem. Now finally we can find B degree is equal to 69 degree plus 37 degree, and that is equal to, when we add them, it will be equal to 106. So ladies and gentlemen, we found the value of this is 106. So in this fashion we found the value of these variables. Now I am coming towards the question number 5, and question number 5 is saying that you have to find the value of unknown, that is A degree, which is this one. So let us find it by giving it a closer look, and after that we have to apply the theorem. Again we are dividing this portion into two parts by making this assumption that this line is parallel to the two given lines, that is A, B, and C, D, and we uh, labeled it as P and Q. Now, for finding the value of A degree, because this is given as a total 92, so we have to find only this portion, and then we can utilize the uh, theorem of alternate interior angles, and then we would be able to find the value of unknown A degree. So let's do it. And first of all, I am doing what? I am writing C E Q. Let us write it here. C E Q and plus 128 degree is equal to 180 degree. C E Q, which is this part, and I am finding this part with 128. And what is the theorem we used in this scenario? And that is the interior angles. Interior angles. So when we calculate this CEQ, so we have to shift this 128 to the other side, and then it will become a negative 1, and when we subtract it from the, it will be 52 degree. So we found the value of this area to be 52 degree. Now the total is 92, so we have to subtract from 92 this 52, and then we will be able to find the value of A. So let us say that A, E, Q. We have to find A, E, and Q, that will be equal to 92 degree minus 52 degree, and that will be equal to 40 degree. Yes, now we found this area to be 40 degree. uh, so now it is easy to utilize the concept of interior angle by this portion, and as a result we will get the value of A. So we can write that A plus 40, A plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree, and that is due to the interior angles theorem. Now in this case we can find that A degree is equal to 140 degree when we shift this 40 to the other side. So that was the whole story by using different technique, because mathematics is technique and tactics. We use different tactics to find the value of this. Now we are turning our focus to the second part of this question, and in this we have to find the value of B. The value of B, because they given us that there are there is one angle which is this one, and that is 4b minus 10 whole degree, and the second one is this one, and that is 2b minus 2 whole degree. Now all these informations are given to us, and remaining in the context of these information, we have to find what we have to find this. Let us label from our own side. This is x and this is y, which is not given in the question, but for our purpose we are labeling it x and y. So now we can find that cyx, c, let us cyp, not x, because you have to take this variable, not this one. So x is also correct, but x by itself is a position, so the line is pq, so you have to write p naught as x. So cyp is equal to 2b minus 2 whole degree, and that is vertically opposite angle. By the theorem, vertically opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. So I am writing here the reference. Now we can say that cyp and we are writing plus 4b minus 10 whole degree is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree, and that is the interior angles theorem. Interior angles theorem we use. So we can say that because we found cyp earlier, so instead of this cyp I am putting this value, so that will be 2b minus 2 whole degree, and then plus 4b minus 10 whole degree, and that is equal to 180 degree. Now ladies and gentlemen, it's now just a simple calculation. So I am going to this side, 2b degree plus 4b degree minus 2 degree and minus 10 degree is equal to 180 degree. We are writing this as 180 degree. So this will be 6b degree, and that will be minus 12 degree is equal to 180 degree. So when we calculate all these things, so it means that 6b degree is equal to 180 degree plus 12 degree. So 6b degree is equal to 192 degree, and dividing both side by 6 we will get 32 is the ultimate answer. So we found by using different techniques that is B degree is equal to 32 degree. That was the second part. Now ladies and gentlemen, we are going to solve this third part first. We have to concentrate on this C part. The question is given in this particular format. I purely copied it as it was in the book. Nothing I did with anything. So, first of all, we have to find only the value of this C, and you must know that this C degree is a reflex angle. So by finding this portion, we can subtract it from 360 degree, and then we will be able to find the value of C degree. So for that particular purpose which we are going to find the value of C, we have to divide first this portion, and let me do it with separate color. So I am drawing a parallel line, and I am labeling it as PQ. Now we have to find first one portion, and then we have to find other portion, and as a result we will be able to get F. So I am writing A E P is equal to 28 degree, and that is purely due to alternate angles because AB is parallel to PQ. So FEP, if we are going to find FEP, that is 94 degree minus AEP, and we found the value of AEP. So we are directly inserting that value as 28, which is here, and we are calculating it, and that will be equal to 66 degree. So FEP, FE and P we found to be, which is F, E and P. So this angle, we divided the 94 angle into two parts. So we found one part, and the second part is then easy. So let us say that EFS, EFS is equal to FEP. EFS, E, F and S, because we are first dividing this area also into two portions by drawing a parallel line RS. So we have to find EFS, and that is this area, DFS. We are finding this area, and that is equal to FEP. We are talking about this area, F, E, and P. So this will be equal to this area, and that is due to the alternate angle. So FEP, we already found that, and that is 66 degree. So now we are going to find DFS. DFS. DFS, and that is equal to 19 degree by alternate angles theorem. Alternate angles. So ladies and gentlemen, that is equal to 19. Now C degree plus EFS, which we found is a 66. That is why we are introducing this, plus DFS. We also found DFS here, DFS, and that is equal to 360 degree. Yes, angle at a point. We are using angles at a point, and that is equal to 360 degree. Now C degree is equal to 360 degree minus 66 degree minus 19 degree, and C degree is equal to what? We are finding it to be 275 degree, and that is the ultimate answer. We found the value of C. Now ladies and gentlemen, let us do question number 5. And question number 5 is also need your attention. So question number 6, I should say. This is question number 6. And question number 6 is saying, in the figure HDF, in the figure they given us HDF. Now remember that this is given as H. So HDF is parallel to HDF is a straight line. AB is parallel to CE is parallel to F. They are talking about these three lines, and they are saying that they are parallel to each other, and all of them are equal to 47. And DFG is equal to 86, which is this one. So these are all the information we are having, and we have to solve this question remaining in the context of this. First part, they are saying to find the value of CDF, which is CDF, and this angle they want. So we have to find first this one. Now ladies and gentlemen, you think that these two lines are parallel and you consider this to be a traversal line. So it means this angle will be equal to this angle. And we can say that in the question that CDF is equal to 86 degree. How? By alternate angles theorem. So I am writing alternate angles. Now the second part is saying that find the value of HD, uh, find the value of BAD. Now directly we cannot find the value of BAD. So for that particular purpose we have to find first HDE, and HDE is equal to 86. HDE is equal to 86 degree. How? They are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. So by this theorem HDE, this one, because we found this to be 86 degree, so HDE angle, which is this one, will also be equal to 86 degree, and that is due to the vertical opposite angles. Now let's move further. We can find EDA. EDA is equal to HDE, which we found right now, minus 47 degree. Because we found this to be 86 and we want to find this area, so we have to subtract 47 from HDE. So EDA is equal to 86 degree minus 47 degree. And then we are calculating it, and the calculation is giving us 39 degree. Now we can see that BAD, which is our ultimate goal, because they want us to find BAD, and BAD is equal plus EDA, which we found 39. EDA, this one. So that is why we are introducing BAD, which is this angle, plus EDA, which is this angle. We found it, and because those are parallel line, so we are fine due to the interior angles, and the sum will be equal to 180 degree, and we are finding interior angle because AB is parallel to CE. Okay, now it's just the matter of simple calculation. So we are writing BAD plus EDA is equal to 39 degree, and that is 180. Now BAD is equal to 180 degree minus 39 degree, and when we calculate it, that will be equal to 141 degree. Quite simple calculation. BAD is equal to 1. So these were the two parts in question number 6. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to stop it here because I will give you an opportunity to do practice on it. So, thank you very much for watching. Do practice on it. Allah Hafiz.